Hi there, my name is Fate Intervention. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining me. I am a drag queen and makeup artist. Today I'm going to teach you how to paint on new drag brows. For this video, you will need some brow pomade, a flat angled brush, a flat brush to clean your brows up later on, and a brow pencil. Okay, step 1 is a really important step. It is to see or find out how you want your eyebrows to be. You want them to be rounded, straight, or S-shaped. You can do literally everything. So I want my eyebrows to be a little bit rounded and straight.
You like the straights?
Let's go to step 2 to see how to paint your brows on. So if you guys can see, my brows are already locked in place. I did it in a previous video. You can watch that later on if you want to. It shows you how to block your brows in place immediately and as smooth as it is right now. As I said, the next step. You need to find out where you want to put your brows. What I normally do is I put my finger like here against my nose, and this is the place where I want to start my new eyebrow. So I'm going to take this pencil. I need to sharpen it a little bit. So
a few moments later.
So I'm going to place my finger as I said there. I'm going to create a little dot over there. So this is where I'm going to start my eyebrows. I'm going to do that on my other side as well. So I'm going to see if they are straight. Yes, the line is straight. You see, I've got two little dots. I'm going to put a little dot up here. Also on the other brow, I'm going to put a little dot up here. See if they are straight. Yes. I'm going to put a dot over here. So get a little dot over there and over here. You want your eyebrows to be lifted, because drag makeup is all about to be lifted. So you want everything to go up. That's why I create my eyebrows from here, going up, back. We are going to draw our first lines. You're going to take a little bit of your brow pomade. You are going to draw a line from this dot to that dot. And from this dot up to that one. I'm going up. I'm going up, I'm going back. Fill this little gap over here. This is the first step. The second step is you want to know how thick you want your eyebrows to be. I don't like my eyebrows to be very thick. I did in the past though. When I started doing drag, my eyebrows were kinda huge and I was like, no, this is not what I'm going for. I want a just nice, elegant brow. I'm going to draw a little dot. This is how thick I want my eyebrows to be. That line is going to be till here. And going back to there. Going to take a little of brow pomade again, and you're going to create a line. So this is the thickness that I want. Now I'm going to fill in. Some people do apply their concealer first under their eyebrows so that they know what kind of shape they want to use. I like to do my eyebrows first and afterwards cleaning them up. It's what you prefer and what you like. I prefer this, so that's why I'm doing this.
Duh.
You want to keep the front of your eyebrows a little bit open so that you can blend it later on. Another tip, if you want to see if your eyebrows are straight, move your head forwards and see if they are matching to each other, if they have the same length. So after you draw those brows on, you're going to take a foundation stick or a concealer and your flat brush. You're going to take a little bit of that foundation or concealer and you're going to draw a thin line under the new brow that you have painted on. Going to clean up your brows. So now that my brows are cleaned up, I'm going to clean this part as well. This is actually just the same step. You really want them to be straight and snatched. So now that I'm happy with my brows like this, I'm going to fill any gaps that I have right now. I see that I have a little gap over here, so I'm going to take a little bit more of brow pomade and I'm going to fill that in. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blend this front part here. I'm going to take a rounded brush and just blend it a little bit. Going just back and forth back and forth. So I like this. I'm going here again, back and forth, back and forth. So after place my eyebrows like this, I'm going to take a little bit of setting powder and I'm going to lock them in place. I really recommend you, after setting your brows, to take a little bit of a black eyeshadow, to go over your brows again so that they can pop out even more. Because of the setting powder, they will lose a little bit of the color. I'm going to wipe off the excess powder. And so this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it and I hope that you learned something new, how to draw on new eyebrows. As I said before, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and to my social media at Faith Intervention, and I hope to see you again back soon. Bye bye.